Waking up exhausted, dealing with a bitter taste in your mouth, a heavy stomach, or unexplained facial swelling. If you start your morning fighting these symptoms, you are not alone. These specific symptoms indicate that the metabolic waste your liver and gut processed overnight remains trapped in your system. You can flush that waste out using a 3-step morning routine that takes exactly 10 minutes, requiring no pills or expensive supplements. Dedicating 10 minutes to this specific sequence every morning prevents daily waste from accumulating, allowing your body to start the day without the burden of yesterday's toxins. Step 1 is clearing the gut. We do this by drinking water stored overnight in a pure copper vessel to awaken your digestive fire, known in Ayurveda as your Agni. You need the right equipment. Look closely at the inside of these vessels. Your cot must be 100% pure copper. Avoid anything that is brass-coated or lined with tin. Fill your copper vessel before bed. The moment you wake up, before you eat or drink anything else, pour yourself 1 to 2 glasses and drink it on an entirely empty stomach. This animation shows the science behind the practice. It's called the oligodynamic effect. The water releases copper ions that destroy lingering bacteria, actively washing away the sluggish waste lining your digestive tract. Once you finish your water, you must wait 5 to 10 minutes before consuming anything else. Your body requires this uninterrupted window to absorb the copper. A strict medical warning: if you have Wilson's disease, a rare genetic condition where copper builds up in the liver, skip this entirely. For everyone else, strictly cap your intake at 2 glasses a day. Now, your gut is clear, but the blood still needs attention. Step 2 bridges the gap between your clear gut and your cells. Exactly 10 minutes after finishing your copper water, pick 4 to 5 fresh neem leaves. Put them in your mouth and chew them very slowly. It is going to taste intensely bitter, but that bitterness is the key to the next phase. Look at this comparison. That intense bitterness cleanses your Rakta Dhatu, your blood tissue. By clearing impurities from the bloodstream, neem addresses the underlying causes of acne and allergic reactions. There are specific exceptions here. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, children under 10, and individuals actively undergoing fertility treatments must skip this step. With your gut cleared and your blood filtered, your internal pathways are open. Now, your cells require oxygen to drive your daily energy. Step 3 is a 9-minute seated breathing circuit to charge your blood with oxygen, beginning with 5 minutes of Kapalbhati. You are going to perform 30 forceful exhales through your nose. With every single breath out, actively pull your stomach inward toward your spine. Complete 30 of these exhales to finish 1 round. Rest for exactly 1 minute, and then repeat the process until you've completed 3 full rounds. Heart patients and anyone with high blood pressure must proceed slowly. If you are pregnant, have a hernia, or have had recent abdominal surgery, avoid this entirely. If you feel dizzy at any point, stop immediately. This forceful expulsion of CO2 activates the parasympathetic nervous system, moving your body into a state of rest and repair that prepares you to regulate your heart rate. We move directly into the final breathing phase, 3 minutes of Anulam Vilom to improve your heart rate variability. This diagram shows the process. Block your right nostril with your thumb and pull a deep breath entirely through the left nostril. Now hold that breath inside for exactly 8 seconds. Use your index finger to close the left nostril, release your thumb, and exhale through the right nostril. Complete 5 full cycles just like this. To cool down, sit quietly with your eyes closed. Breathe completely normally for 1 minute to let your physical body settle. This oxygenation completes the sequence. You've cleared digestive waste, filtered the blood, and provided your cells with the oxygen they need to function throughout the day. Congratulations! Your body has now cleared the overnight waste, filtered the blood, and saturated the cells with oxygen. Save this video, prepare your copper vessel tonight, and execute this exact routine for 21 consecutive days to clear the morning fatigue and vetterness you're experiencing today. If you have elderly parents or relatives, share this routine with them. It is a practical, zero-cost way to support their daily health. By addressing your health in this order, gut, blood, and then cells, you support your body's natural recovery processes. Leave a comment below telling us what video lengths you prefer for future health tutorials.